So last time gamit natin ng acetone ay inihiwalay natin safely ang Hot Wheels card natin sa card. Ngayon naman gagamitin natin ang same acetone para subukan nating ma-remove itong stubborn and ugly looking na tag price from stores. And let's see how it goes. And so by the way, if you need cuticle remover like this, it's available in our yellow basket down below. So ang technique dito para maayos yung pagkakaalis ng tag price is patience, precision and patience. Sobrang daming patience ang kailangan mo para hindi mo masira yung magandang card ng iyong Hot Wheels. This type of tag price, ito yata yung pinaka-challenging sa lahat dahil sobrang nipis nito. And also, meron siyang mga cuts in between. Kaya pag naalis mo to, may tendency na maghiwa-hiwalay pa siya. And so if necessary, lagyan pa rin natin ng cuticle remover or acetone yung likod na part ng ating card. So ayan, sometimes sobrang stubborn na ma-dissolve ang mga glue ng mga tag price na to. So patience, patience, and more patience. And so again, if you need acetone like this, dyan na kayo bumili sa aking yellow basket para same brand lang ang ating gagamitin. And at the same time, matutulungan nyo pa ako na kumita. And by the way, thank you very much for watching. Ayan, naghihiwa-hiwalay itong klase ng tag price na to. So be very, very extra careful. Yep, there's no need to rush para hindi mo ma-damage yung print ng iyong Hot Wheels card. And while watching, pa-like, follow, and share na rin to support this channel and para ma-update pa kayo sa iba't iba nating mga DIY activities. And if necessary, yan, kung kailangan nating dagdagan pa yung acetone para ma-dissolve yung glue ng tag price na to, let's continue to do so. Yes, sa wakas natanggal din. Now immediately tapat natin sa electric fan para matuyo agad yung Hot Wheels card natin. So patuyuin natin ng bahagya yung ating wet tissue and gently i-wipe natin yung remaining acetone na residue sa card. And as you can see, medyo may konting warping na nangyari sa ating Hot Wheels card, pero it can be easily be resolved by putting a weight sa card para ma-press siya at madiretso. So ayan guys, using this cuticle remover, we successfully removed the tag price sa ating precious Hot Wheels collection. So kung nakatulong sa inyo ang tip na to, pa-like and follow na lang po and share. And thank you very much for watching. Now we have cool and clean Hot Wheels for display.